Satnu Devaraj, Nivritta Principal.
I am Maitri Manar.
Hi, I am KJ Pavan.
Happy Teachers Day. I am Anjali.
Namaskara, Nanu Badri Divyabhushan.
Hello, my name is Prashant Acharya.
My name is NS Srinivas.
I am Srinatha Narayana. My wife Aarti Vardachar, daughter Inshara Atreya.
First and foremost, I would love to thank Excel Public School for giving us this great opportunity. And every day I will be a teacher only for my 2 kids. But this day I will be experiencing how it feels to be a teacher for us to class of 30 students. I am very thankful and grateful to all the teachers over here and principal and staff.
Happy Teachers Day to all. I started my career as an instructor. I would like to thank Excel Public School for the opportunity to come back to the school and present myself in our class. It was a wonderful experience interacting with the students. The kind of energy that the students showed has been wonderful. Thank you all. Happy Teachers Day.
I was being put in the service of teaching English for nearly 38 years. It was both a pleasure and also a pleasure to have the privilege of teaching 10th standard students here. I went through all the campus and also labs and library. They are really fantastic, and the conducive atmosphere is created, and the students are getting the benefit of it, and the teachers are tailoring the students in such a manner that they are coming up with great projects. After all, seeing those projects, I really felt astonished. Thank you very much.
Each one of you a happy and a wonderful Teachers Day. To all the teachers, right from our bus to our colleges, to the world, to the society, who teach us to become better human beings. Idina, today I came to Excel Public School to handle a session on dance as a medium of communication to class 7. It was a wonderful session. That's what the students exclaimed. Because I would always feel there's a wonderful initiative by the school to involve the parents, to involve people like us to be a part of such programs, so that kids and students get a wonderful approach towards different parameters in the society. And the whole idea is conceived by the school, which is a wonderful initiative. Once again, I would want to applaud the school management, Sri Matthew ji and Sudanma ji, for coming up with this thing. Thank you, Excel, for giving me this opportunity to be a part of Teachers Day. Once again, happy Teachers Day.
If I had a time turner, I would definitely go back in time so that I can come to a school like Excel. That's what I feel about this school. This is one school which caters to the overall development of a child and not just focus on academics. So we've been coming in every year to experience the children and teaching a class. Today, my daughter Inshara and I taught about writing statement of purpose and writing the personal statement to the 11th graders. It was very nice to see the kids getting involved and trying to imbibe whatever we were here for. I always feel good to give back whatever I have learned to the budding children here. I always love coming back to EPS because it's home to me. And today was an extremely amazing experience because I got to teach a class in my own school. It was really nice to see the students interacting and taking part in what we were discussing with them. It was a really nice experience to be back today on Teachers Day.
It was a great experience, and anyway, we always love to come to Excel with any excuse, any reason. Thank you.